In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a sales dashboard in Power BI, an essential skill in today's data-driven world. Whether you're aiming to monitor sales performance or present data in a digestible format, creating a robust interactive sales dashboard is a great place to start. So let's dive into how you can do just that using Power BI. To kick off this process, you'll want to open Power BI and create a blank report. This serves as your workspace where you'll visualize the data. So getting started with a clean slate is key. Once you have your blank page ready, it's time to move on to the next crucial step, importing your data. Depending on where your sales data is stored, maybe it's in an Excel file, a cloud database, or any other source, use Power BI's data import functionality to bring that data into your dashboard environment. Ensuring that your data is accurately imported is essential, as this will directly influence the quality and accuracy of your dashboard. Now comes the creative part. It's time to add a pie chart. Pie charts can be incredibly effective for displaying proportions, such as the contribution of different product lines to total sales. Once your data is in, use the drag and drop feature within Power BI to select the fields you want to show in the pie chart. This visual element is integral to your dashboard and can give quick insights at a glance, making complex data sets easy to comprehend. Next on your agenda is adding a slicer, a powerful tool that enhances interactivity in your dashboard. Slicers act like filters, allowing your audience to segment the data in real time according to different criteria like dates, regions, or product categories. Adding a slicer to your dashboard is as simple as selecting the slicer tool and choosing which data fields you want to filter the display by. This dynamic element is key for users to tailor insights to their specific needs. Finally, it's time to manipulate the representation of your data, transforming it into a fully functional sales dashboard. This step is all about bringing everything together and customizing your dashboard to meet your specific needs. Use Power BI's formatting tools to adjust colors, titles, and data labels to create a clean and cohesive look. Make sure to organize all elements logically. Perhaps place the most important visualizations at the top for better impact. Also, align your dashboard's purpose with how you display the data. If you want to highlight trends, perhaps consider line charts or bar charts in addition to your pie chart. And there you have it, a comprehensive sales dashboard built entirely in Power BI. By following these steps, you can create a tool that not only displays data effectively, but also enhances decision-making and insight generation for your business or personal projects. Keep practicing and experimenting with different visuals and configurations to refine your skills further. Happy dashboard building, and until next time.